Hi, my name is Sean Cunnion, and I'll be representing Team 7, GoDC. Did you know that both of these pictures show the alternating current electrical system that the world is based on? The reason for that is because the competitor, direct current, wasn't feasible in the 20th century. To this day, we still use AC, alternating current, even though the reasons DC, direct current, couldn't work are no longer true. And in addition, as we move towards a renewable energy world, the benefits of DC are growing. Many of the devices that we use today in our households work on direct current. To do that, they use adapters, those chunky blocks at the ends of power cords, to convert the AC from the wall into DC. These conversions waste energy, up to 30% of it, depending on the device. In addition, solar panels are also a natively DC technology. This means that if you're using a solar panel to power your home, AC-DC conversion happens twice between when the electricity leaves the solar panel and when it's used by DC devices, from DC to AC and back to DC again. The same is true if you're using electrical storage. All of this makes using solar energy much less efficient than it could be, which means we would need to build more solar and storage infrastructure to meet the same energy demands. What we would provide is a distributed DC electrical system for commercial or residential spaces. This could be done at the building of the structure or with a retrofit. Customers could choose what they want their DC system connected to. We would recommend at least LEDs, EV charging stations, and select socket clusters. In addition, we would offer native DC HVAC equipment of our design produced by original equipment manufacturers. As for the power source, we would sell solar panels and batteries ourselves as part of packages, but we would also connect our system to a customer's existing solar panels and battery. The system would interface with the AC power coming into the home via a hybrid inverter. This would allow for the AC power to take over should the solar panels or batteries ever fail, and for selling electricity back to the grid. The value to our customers is that the increased efficiency of their solar and battery power will allow them to fulfill more of their power demands from those sources, resulting in a lower electric bill. The elimination of losses from their DC devices would also add to that benefit. Building owners will pay the cost of installation and then pay a fraction of their monthly savings to us over the life of the system. Our initial customers would be commercial spaces with solar installations and especially those with electrical storage, who are interested in retrofits. After building customer confidence, we would look to work with contractors on new builds, and eventually we would move into the residential sector. Our competition would be traditional electrical contractors who have built up decades of trust and proven reliability. So if this technology is a major change in the way of our current electrical system operates, then why hasn't this happened yet? Well, there are three main reasons, and they are these. However, all of them are either already being overcome or could change very quickly, especially with how things are currently going related to green energy. One possible plan for building this business would be to start by gathering funding from green VCs and grants from governments for green infrastructure. After working with our early commercial adopters like commercial spaces and factories, we'll transition our business to residential customers through the B2C model. We'll identify our key markets among our customers and continue to extend our services to them while continuing to seek funds from VCs and grants. At this point in our business model, we'll also increase our marketing as we have a wider B2C customer base. We would promote our business to customers by being transparent about our services and by letting them know that their appliances will be safe and will save them energy. Additionally, we can tell them that they're saving on their bills and helping the environment. Our profits will start to come in when we take a percentage of the customer savings as revenue. Our system, in conclusion, will hit the trifecta of what's needed in energy. It's robust, safe, and clean. Here's a video of what our website might look like. So, these are our team members, and we would also like to thank at this time our mentor Ujwal, who provided us with important help along the way. Thank you for watching.